Kicking the year strong, Lumberjacks participate in a long-time tradition called Holler at Homer, right before Stephen F. Austin State University football played North American University.
To get the axe handle and to learn about the history.
Many freshmen that attended Holler at Homer were very excited to receive their axe handles and learn more about SFA's history.
Axe handle! Yay!
First introduced on September 5th, 2014, Holler at Homer has gone to be a long-standing tradition. New and old students fill the student section, otherwise known as the Purple Haze section. The Holler at Homer MCs hype up the new students, along with teaching them the game day chants. The MCs also teach Purple Haze the reason why we raise the big SFA flag during the game. The reason it's raised is to hype the students up when we get a touchdown and to show a visual of our school spirit to everyone on the field. Another tradition introduced at Holler at Homer is Old Cotton. Old Cotton is a cannon that goes off when our team scores a touchdown. At the end of Holler at Homer, the new students are then released to go trade in their ticket for an axe handle. More than 2,000 axe handles are given to new students each year.
How we doing, freshmen? Y'all ready for some football? Yeah! Little rain shower? Yeah! It's coming, but hey, stick with us. We're going to have a fun night tonight. You got to make life miserable for these stallions. You hear me? I'll take those axe handles. You beat this sign. You make so much noise they can't think straight. Cheer us on to victory. Have fun. Give them hell. Axe some jacks, baby.
The game on Thursday, August 29, 2024, was unfortunately delayed due to a storm coming in. The SFA Lumberjacks were set to play the NAU Stallions at 7 p.m. Kickoff was held at 7:41 p.m. due to the weather delay, and ultimately led to another Lumberjack victory. The final score was NAU had 0 to SFA's 77 points. Reporting for the Pine Log, I'm Cinthea Martinez.